Okay, here's the unboxing video of Amazon's DJI Mavic Air Flame Red drone. It's a package that's sold on Amazon Prime. It's the drone combo 4K Wi-Fi quadcopter with remote controller, mobile go bundle with hard case VR, Google landing pad, 16 gigabyte microSDHC card, and cleaning kit. So this was $7.99, and the reason I wanted to do this unboxing video is because I could not find an unboxing video of this package on YouTube. So hopefully this will be beneficial for others. Let's find out what's in the box. I believe this is from Beach Camera. Here's the VR headset. You can slide the phone in. I expect that's worth maybe $10. The SD memory card, which is maybe valued at maybe somewhere around $12, $15. And the landing pad, which I'm kind of anxious to see what this landing pad looks like, because I don't know how big it is. It's hard to tell in the video. So, give you an idea how big this is. Comes with stakes. Whoa! And then that's how big it is. Setting that off to the side. That seems like a good value. And you also get what looks to be the deluxe cleaning kit. And the professional hard case for high impact absorption. So the case is nice. And of course, the DJI Mavic Air. This one is flame red, and I read some articles that say that the red is easier to see in the sky as opposed to the white. So that's all I have. Think it went good?